I don't have any excuses. And also, guys, as I record this video, we just hit 149 subscribers.
Love the way you love me on purpose. Have something in your eyes say I deserve this. I'm so used to settling for surface, but you love me like I'm somebody that's worth it. There's nothing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena na tena. My name is Rina, and today I have a very interesting video. So what happened is yesterday I ordered something that I really feel I needed, and I just got a notification that it's already in town. It's ready for picking up. So I'm gonna rush there, pick it up, and then I'll come unbox it with you guys. So I'll see you in a few.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so I just got home not long ago and I came back with my parcel. So guys, this is my parcel. This is how I picked it up. I haven't tampered with anything. Let's get into the unboxing. I have my scissors here, so let's do this. So yeah, this is the box. It has the ring light. This is called the Bluetooth shutter, so it can use both iOS and Android. Some indications on and off. So let's on it like that. So it's on, but it's a Bluetooth shutter, so you'll need to connect it with your phone. I'll run how my screen looks. I'll run how it connects on the screen right here as this is happening. So you can control it via camera if you're using a smartphone, or you're using a camera 360, and then the down part is for Android. Lights, I have this here, and I'm assuming I'm assuming this is the area that you attach the tripod to the ring light. The ring light goes here and the tripod here, and you can always move the ring light around by loosening this knob and just moving it around, because this circular thingy has made it possible. We also have this is a phone holder, and it's extendable and can accommodate any phone. And this is attached to this, which can be bent. Hence you can always adjust your phone however you want. So this area, this one, you connect to this phone holder, and then it goes here on the ring light. So I'll try assembling this too, because this is what makes a phone holder. So what happens, you have to open this area like this, and then this goes here like that, and once it's inside, you can now lock it using the knob, the thingy that
Wait a minute! Who are you?
you open like that. So yeah, there you have your phone holder, and like I said, you can always bend it to your preference like that. The ring light has this cable attached to it, and this is the charging cable. Just attach this to a normal phone header, and this along the wire, I'm assuming this is a remote control, because it has a power on button, mode, how to lower the light, how to up it, to change color. I'm not sure about the RGB, but of course you're gonna figure it out. Let's try assembling all that. So guys, this is the tripod. Let's unbox it. It's supposed to be 2 meters long. Yeah, this is the base, and you'll realize that around here we have a knob. You're supposed to loosen this knob so that the base can open. As you open it, you can feel it loosening. Two other more knobs, this one and this one, so you can just adjust your length using the both of them. Loosen the knob, and after extending it, you can always tighten. If you still feel it's too short, you can open the other knob. So now let's attach the ring light to the tripod, and we have to start by loosening this area. So we need to attach this to this, and you'll have to open this part like that, and then you tie this here like that. Make sure it's tight so that your ring light doesn't fall. So yeah, this is where the ring light goes. So give me a minute, let me tie it because I'm holding the phone with my other hand. So guys, this is how my ring light now looks. So you'll need to bend it like this so that it can be upward, and then you tighten this knob over here. Let me do that. So I've had to lower it a bit. This is how now my ring light looks. The ring light can hold up to 3 phone holders, but I'm going to use one for now. So that's how you do it. See how flexible that is, like that. Yeah, now we need to put this part, the USB, to my charging port, and see how it actually works. Already connected my cable to the charging port. I'm trying to figure out how to use this. So when you on it like that, you can realize the ring light is on. You can decide to turn it like that. You're dimming it. That is the farthest it can go in terms of dimming, and then you can up your lights like that. Oh gosh, this is so much fun. And then you can change your colors like that, yeah. When you press the RGB button like that, this is what happens. Press it again and again and again and again, so it keeps on changing colors like that. I feel like that's just a way to start enjoying my ring lights. Before I forget, guys, please Please check out Lenny Ventures. I light from Lenny Ventures. They're located in Nairobi, Platinum's Plaza, basement shop number B29. They have a page on Instagram, or you can visit their shop in Platinum's Plaza, that is Nairobi. They do deliveries, all things tripod, ring lights, and Bluetooth.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Do both wholesale and retails. So I'll also run their number on my screen, so that in case you need either of the stuff that I mentioned, you can consider reaching out to them. Otherwise, guys, it's been fun doing this. I'm looking forward to creating more and more content, since now I don't have any excuses. And also, guys, as I record this video, we just hit 149 subscribers.
Oh my God! Wow!
And you guys, I'm super grateful. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for
No! God, please, no! No! No!
For wanting to consume my content. I honestly don't take that for granted. So until next one.